Realistic fitness exercises, beginner to intermediate, full body exercises. Bodyweight squats, strengthens legs plus core, easy to scale. Glute bridges, great for posture, low impact. Step UPS, uses a chair/step, boosts balance. Wall sit, simple static strength exercise. Marching in place, perfect warm-up or low-impact cardio. Lower body. Lunges, forward or reverse, build stability. Calf raises, strengthens ankles plus calves. Side leg lifts, hip strength plus mobility. Hip hinge/good mornings, teaches safe bending mechanics. Core and stability. Dead bug, safe for beginners, protects the back. Bird dog, improves balance plus core control. Plank, 10 to 20 seconds. Short holds, no need for long planks. Seated knee lifts, gentle core activation. Upper body. Wall push UPS, easiest push-up variation. Incline push UPS, sofa/chair makes it doable. Resistance band rows, posture-friendly. Shoulder taps, light core plus shoulder stability. Low-impact cardio. Brisk walking, the most realistic fat-burning exercise. Stair climbing, powerful leg plus cardio workout. Low-impact dance, fun plus sustainable. Mini circuits, 20 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. Mobility and flexibility. Cat-cow, spine mobility. Hamstring stretch, reduces lower back tension. Chest opener stretch, great for desk workers. Hip flexor stretch, improves posture. Why these exercises are realistic. No equipment needed or minimal. Safe for beginners. Easy to progress. Can be done in 10 to 20 minutes. Perfect for wellness trackers, fitness planners, or habit logs. Like, share, and subscribe.